So guys, it's the room review guy. The room review from Best Sabinal, Almería, Spain, Roquetas de Mar. If I've pronounced that right, which I'm pretty sure I haven't, but this is the room. So when you walk in, you've got a nice, it's quite a spacious room, to be honest. I mean, look at it. Spacious. Got a nice working desk. I needed that water, trust me. So yeah, it's really spacious, really nice room. But you know what I like about it most is this. Look at that view, guys. Look at that view. That, keep them open actually for the light in the room, makes the review a bit better. But that is what I call a nice view. What do you think? That is one hell of a nice view. So you just go on a balcony any time of the day, watch the sea. How relaxing is that? Like last night, for example, I actually fell asleep outside because I couldn't sleep, so I just sat on the chair and listened to the waves coming in and fell asleep. So yeah, really nice. So back to the room review. So it's a 4-star hotel and it's called Best Sabinal, Hotel Best Sabinal in Roquetas de Mar. And this is the bathroom area. So I mean, I've been here for one night already, so it has got my stuff around, like the toothbrush and the bits and bobs there. But they do supply shoe mitts, tissues, and a pina cone. What's a pina cone? Basically, it's a cone. So they supply a comb as well, if anyone combing their hair these days. The shower, I can confirm, was a nice shower. And it's a nice sized bath as well. It's actually a bath that you can actually chill out in, rather than them really small ones. A lot of time when you go to Spain and places like that, the baths are like, and they're not going to say the word I normally call them, but they're really, really small. So you got a bidet, you got the toilet, and yes, I know a bidet is not a foot cleaner. When I say that, I always say it's a joke, but it could work as a foot cleaner to get the sand out. I mean, when you're in a hotel like this that's literally opposite the beach, then yeah, a bidet is basically a cleaner for your toes to get the sand out of your feet. So what's wrong with calling it a feet cleaner? So yeah, I'm not listening to you left wingers. A bidet now is a foot cleaner. Plenty of room in your wardrobes. They do supply a safe, but you have to pay for it. Lots of coat hangers, well not lots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 coat hangers, it's enough. You don't really need them more than 10. They supply a mini fridge. Nothing's in there, that's stuff I've bought myself. So I've got that champagne that I bought from the airport. So I will be having that soon on that balcony while overlooking the sea, having a glass of champagne. But I am also all-inclusive, so I've got to make the most of that as well. So yeah, this is the room review. I would say that bed is really comfortable. Would I recommend this hotel? 100% yes, I would recommend the hotel. The hotel is amazing. I mean, you get here late last night, you walk in, you see that. You know what I mean? Little seating area, that. Really good. And for 7 nights it cost me, what, about $5.50? £550 for 7 nights, all inclusive with Jet 2. You can't go wrong. I mean, just look at the view again. I mean, that is amazing. Would I recommend the resort? Well, today's the first day I've been here. I've had a walk around. What I will say for beach goers, this resort is amazing. The beaches are massive and you can walk all day long, literally all day long, without running out of promenade to walk on. Just don't walk on a cycle path like I did accidentally. But yeah, the beaches are amazing for beach goers. You get lots of space. There's hardly anyone on the beaches. Amazing place for people who want a relaxing resort. But is it like Benidorm? No, it's not. It's a very quiet resort and it caters more for people that just want to come and relax, and it's very Spanishy as well, so you don't go to your British pubs and things. Some people like that, some don't. Me personally, I like a bit of both. But yeah, I mean, like today I was looking for a bar that had football on. I couldn't find it, but maybe I could have found it if I did some more research. But yeah, it's a really nice place. I recommend it. And what would I give this hotel? I don't really give reviews anymore out of 10. But what do you guys think? I think it's nice. 4-star hotel. Decent price. Good quality. It's hard to say. It's hard to give under an 8.5. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. And go!